And thanks for joining us at 6. I'm Kelly Swoop. Well, after a month of tougher restrictions, restaurants and bars will have to forge on. The city announcing that it will not loosen restrictions on bars and restaurants. WMAR2 News' Dave DETLING has more tonight from City Hall.
Well, this is not the update restaurants and bars were hoping for. Indoor and outdoor dining remains restricted, banned, if you will. Again, Mayor Scott saying that those COVID-19 restrictions remain in place because of an increase in COVID-19 cases, most likely from New Year's Eve.
We know this is tough. We know this is hard. But we also know that people are dying. And that's the most important thing.
That fact, plus a bump in COVID-19 cases in the new year, prompting Baltimore Mayor Brandon Scott to keep COVID-19 restrictions in place, meaning no return to restaurant indoor or outdoor dining.
We're going to be there to support our businesses. We're going to be there to do whatever we can do to make sure that they remain strong and make it through this. Together we will do that.
Friday's message comes as there are nearly 34,000 cases of COVID-19 and 672 deaths in the city. Scott said the city's intensive care units are at 90% capacity as a result of the virus, and that acute care beds are at 89% capacity at Baltimore hospitals. As for city vaccinations and the rollout plan,
the health department has provided 842 vaccines to EMS, fire, police, health department employees, as well as urgent care, dialysis workers, and frontline judiciary staff as of yesterday, in our first 3 days of vaccination.
City and health officials say vaccinations for priority groups will continue, and only when there is a reduction in COVID cases will restrictions loosen.
It's about making sure that we get the vaccine out to people. That's the only thing that matters. We're going to work with our state partners. We're going to work with other partners to make sure that we do that.
And Mayor Scott says he'll continue to monitor the daily data that comes in. He says he'll revisit the restrictions next Friday. Outside City Hall, Dave DETLING, WMAR 2 News.